Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the unknown burger. Nobody knows where this came from. All I know is I had scrawled this recipe down after downing a bottle of cheap Chinese snake whiskey. Alright, the first thing we have to do is make the basil mayonnaise. What you want to do is add to a food processor 1 cup of mayonnaise, about a quarter cup of packed basil leaves, about a teaspoon or so of lemon zest. Again, I'm just kind of eyeballing it here. And then the juice of half a lemon. And, of course, salt and pepper. And then puree together. And then pour it in a container, cover, and let it chill out in the fridge for at least a half an hour before the burgers. Should look a little bit something like that. All right, next step. Now we're going to make the Creole mustard. So what we have here is about a half a cup of Dijon mustard. Followed by about 3 tablespoons worth of mayonnaise. Then you want about a tablespoon of honey. And 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning. And then you just want to whisk everything together till everything is nicely mixed. Put in a container and again leave it in the fridge for at least a half an hour before you cook the burgers. And now we got quarter-pound burger patties going down on a grill set to medium-high heat. And the seasoning for this can be salt and pepper. Like I said, my local grocery store likes to make their own house seasoning blends. I quite enjoy them. And so yeah, this is their burger seasoning blend. So yeah, about 3 to 4 minutes aside and the burgers should be done. And now the burgers are done. We're going to add some American cheese to burgers. And, you know, some people like to shit on American cheese, but especially for burgers, man, there ain't few cheeses better. So we'll give the cheese a couple of minutes to melt up, and then we'll take it in the house. Alrighty, as you can see here, we got our nice toasted bun. We have some shreddis on the bottom bun. Again, that's just more to protect the bottom bun from getting soggy from the grease in the burger. And you want 1 patty, followed by a couple of pieces of bacon, followed by a drizzle of that Creole honey mustard that we made, followed by some red onion slices, followed by the second patty, followed by even more bacon, because there is no such thing as too much bacon. And then, of course, we need to add some dill pickles to this burger. And lastly, we want to slather on some of that basil mayo to the top bun, put it on top, serve with some salt and pepper French fries, and that's it. The unknown burger that came to me in a haze of cheap Chinese whiskey. Done.